Within the Life Design program, BGSU students learn to maximize their academic experience, prioritize their well-being, make connections, and jumpstart their careers before graduation. The Life Design program is based on design thinking tools and life design mindsets. Students explore what they want to do and who they want to become. And if plans change, they have the toolkit to pivot and design their way forward. The Radbill Center for College and Life Design is an inclusive space for all BGSU students, where anyone is welcome to meet with a life design coach, attend our programming, or use the space to study, meet up, or just relax. Through its architecture and mix of public and private spaces, the center promotes the key mindsets of life design, particularly collaboration. Rooms are strategically located around the perimeter of the space, available to students and used for one-on-one coaching. The Life Design Lab offers a dedicated space for classes, workshops, and other events. Life Design is redefining student success here at BGSU. We strive to prepare our students for whatever their future holds, graduating both career and life ready.